Hi everyone, this is Smriti Acharya, and today we're gonna talk about one of the emerging technologies these days, that is electric nose. The electric nose is a device that detects the smell more effectively than the human sense of smell. An electric nose consists of a mechanism for chemical detection. The electronic nose is an intelligent sensing device that uses an array of gas sensors which are overlapping selectively along with a pattern recognition component. Nowadays, the electronic nose have provided external benefits to a variety of commercial industries, agriculture, biomedical, cosmetic, environmental, food, water, and various scientific research fields. The electronic nose detects the harmful and poisonous gas which is not possible to human sniffers. Now, if we talk about the mind map of electronic nose, it may consist of its disadvantages, type of sensors, components, advantages, applications, and instrumentations. The smell that it detects is composed of molecules which has a specific size and shape, and each of these molecules have a corresponding sized and shaped receptor in the human nose. So what are the risks that are associated with responding to electric nose versus the cost of not responding to it? So failure of complex sensor array system is the risk associated with the electronic nose. Sensors are the major part of its failure, and now we're gonna talk about what enhanced capabilities does electric nose offer that might outweigh the associated cost and risk. So the electronic nose was developed in order to mimic human efforts whose functions are not separate mechanism. The smell or flavor is perceived as a global fingerprint. Essentially, the instrument consists of sensor arrays, patterns, molecules, and headspace sampling to generate signals patterns that are used for characterizing smells. The electronic nose consists of three major parts, which are detecting system, computing system, sample delivery system. This technology is basically user-friendly because unpinning the electric nose used by doctors and clinical technicians has made e-nose clinical trials and instrumenting very easy. And easily this technology is now integrated into the system, products and services of a manufacturer company. Technologies related to electronic nose like MOS sensor, molecular gas sensors, SAW sensors, conducting polymers, and gas sensor arrays has become more easily to use these days if we talk about electronic nose working principle. Now, the sample delivery system enables the generation of headspace of sample or volatile compounds, which is a fraction analyzed. The system then sends this headspace into the detection system of the electronic nose. Organization these days, those are implementing electronic nose are increasing rapidly. There are many organizations in market, and some most popular are Aircine Analytics, Alpha MOS, and others. The government and various institutions are currently promoting the use of electronic nose in medical diagnosis and health monitoring, environmental monitoring, applications in food industry, detection of explosive, space applications in research and development industries, in quality control laboratories, in process and production departments. In most electronic nose, each sensor is sensitive to all molecules in their specific way. However, in bioelectric noses, the receptors, proteins which respond to specific smell molecules are used. Most of electronic nose use sensor arrays that react to volatile compounds. Whenever the sensors sense any smell, a specific response is recorded. That signal is transmitted into the digital value. Electronic nose might require following regulations: a sample delivery system, enables the generation of the headspace of a sample. A deduction system that is consists of a sensor set is the reactive part of the instrument. A computing system works to combine the responses of all the sensors. The computing system in most electronic nodes is one of the most important parts that we could talk about. There are no such security and privacy concerns if we talk about that are being associated with electronic nodes, and it cannot arise from this technology. In fact, this technology is being helpful in medical diagnosis and health monitoring, detection of explosives, space applications in research and development industries, and other important sectors. Different societies and culture respond to electronic nodes are very friendly. This is a user-friendly technology and eco-friendly too that will help us to get benefit in different societies and cultures in order to grow and face various challenges. Hence, it should be welcomed in different societies and cultures. The digital output generated by electronic node sensor has to be analyzed and interpreted in order to provide. There are three main types of commercially available techniques: graphical analysis, multivariate data analysis, and network analysis. And what happens in it is the simplest form of a data reduction in a graphical analysis useful for comparing samples or comparing smells, identification, elements of unknown analytics relatives to those of unknown sources in reference libraries. The e-nose detects the smell more effectively than the human sense of smell. It also detects the poisonous gas, which is not possible to human sniffers. It will be used for quality analysis in production, storage, and display. An electronic nose can be seen as an array of sensors able to generate an electronic signal. And after implementing the e-nose, the companies may could benefit from various aspects like inspection of food, inspection of meat, monitoring and identification of bacteria, automated flavor control, characterizing coffee beans, dates and chocolates, analyzing of fruit, inspection of food, beverage quality by order, inspection of meat, fish, egg and dairy products. On a 5-year outlook of electric nodes, the company could be able to control the quality of the product, will be making good profit and will also be assuring good quality products for the consumers. Company could be known for its quality and customer satisfaction that will automatically increase the market value, leading the organization towards success. And now, I have put some references regarding the electronic nodes that might could help you out to have a better understanding of this technology. As I said, the neutral network is the best known and most derived analysis techniques utilizing statistical software packages for commercial available electric nodes. Electronic systems was tested with the smells of 3 fruits, namely lemon, banana and lychee. And this is all from my side. Thank you so much. You can anytime visit to these references that I have given. And thank you so much for your time.